Hi, everybody. Unique Larry here. It's springtime, finally. Oh my God, can you believe it? We made it. I hope we made it through this winter. Now, I know your carpets have taken a beating and you're probably waiting to have it cleaned, but now's the time. Believe me, let's get that deep embedded soil out because it goes to the bottom of the fibers and we need to get all that out of there. Anybody can make the top of the carpet look good, but what you have to do is you have to get deep down into the bottom of the fibers to take care of that. And that's what we do by the rotary scrubbing and the rinsing, triple rinsing and drying. We've done that for going on our 18th year now. And thank you so much for supporting us. The whole Chicagoland area has been wonderful. But springtime, let's get this thing cleaned up and get ready for a beautiful spring and summer and fall. And let's get through all this craziness that's been going on for the last year. Again, if there's anything you need, please call us for advice. We don't mind giving advice. Even if you don't have us clean, we can give you good advice to make sure that you got everything going right. Okay? We'll be your advice people. Okay? Again, Unique Larry here, 847-459-1600 is our number, or uniquecarpetcleaning.com. Go take a look at the website. It's quite interesting. All right. Take care now. Bye-bye.